Welcome to the GB112 Research Essentials Tutorial 1. This tutorial was put together by the Bentley Library to help you with your GB112 project and to help you to complete the Blackboard quiz you'll take during the semester. Throughout this tutorial, we'll use Hewlett-Packard as our target company. We'll use Hewlett-Packard to cover how to search for the most credible information about a company, where to find a company's annual report, and how to locate key financial information in a company's annual report. Information about companies comes from a variety of sources, but some are more valuable than others. Let's start with Google, where most people begin searching for information, and take a brief look at some of those results. You'll likely see a number of results about Hewlett-Packard, including a variety of advertisements, the company's own website, a Wikipedia entry, and many news items on the company. For the GB112 project, and if you can imagine yourself as a potential investor in Hewlett-Packard, the company's website may have relevant information for you. But most of the other results in Google will only skim the surface of the information you will need to analyze a company. In fact, finding more in-depth information through Google can be expensive. For example, a Google search for a MarketLine report can cost you $175. Companies or firms doing research on other companies often subscribe to MarketLine to access this kind of premium information, and so does the Bentley Library. To access Bentley Library subscription databases, go to library.bentley.edu. There are many ways to access resources on the library website. For this particular example, we'll select Databases A to Z. Then we will select the area most relevant to finding company information, Company Profiles. Remember the $175 MarketLine report highlighted earlier? Here you can access those reports through Business Source Complete under the Company Profiles section. Once you select the database, click on the Company Profiles link along the right-hand side under the Browse section. In the Browse for search box, search for Hewlett-Packard and select the PDF report. This is the same report we saw through our Google search earlier. You'll note that the table of contents of the report includes a well-researched history of the company, revenue analysis, and a SWOT analysis. You may or may not be able to find this kind of information through Google, and as a Bentley community member, the report is available without additional cost. MarketLine is not the only resource available through the library. As you saw, we compile many of our databases by subject. We also put together research guides that help you navigate our resources based on class or discipline. Back on the library homepage, you can access the GB112 Research Guide under the Research Guides link in the Research Help box. The GB112 Library Research Guide is located under Course-Specific Guides in the middle of the page. We've arranged the guide into tabs with ideal resources for each aspect of your project and quiz. For instance, under the Resources for Company Information tab, the current focus of this tutorial, you'll find a list of public companies you're asked to examine during this semester. The respective links will take you to the company's website where you can find the annual report or 10-K filing, the public financial document filed by the company with the Securities and Exchange Commissions, or SEC. However, not all the information you need about a company is necessarily kept on the company's website or in their 10-K. The library database Morningstar Investment Research Center, linked to in the guide on the left-hand side, also includes a company's current and past annual reports, along with other pertinent information like the stock exchange ticker number for the company. Once you click on the database link, you can search Morningstar by typing in the name of your company. Be sure to watch the autofill selections and be aware of your spelling. Your company ticker symbol will likely appear once you've typed in enough of your company's name. In the company's profile page, in this case Hewlett-Packard, you'll find a list of financial reports including the 10-K under the Filings tab. The list of filings will include a variety of documents. Just be sure to select the most recent annual or 10-K report for your company. For your GB112 class, you'll need to answer several questions from the annual report. For example, what is your company's recent net income? Typically, a company's overall revenue for a fiscal year is listed under Selected Financial Data. In Morningstar, you can browse the table of contents and then click on the relevant item to navigate the report. In this example, Hewlett-Packard lists its net income for the most recent 5 years under net earnings parentheses loss. While for the most part you'll find the 10K format the same from company to company, there may be slight variations in naming conventions, or the company may refer you to a different section of their 10K for pertinent information. Hopefully Tutorial 1 has given you a useful starting place, and you know a bit more about how to search for the most credible information about a company, where to find a company's annual report, and how to locate key financial information in the company's annual report. If you'd like additional assistance or have any questions about your research for GB112 or other classes, please contact us at the reference desk. We're happy to help. You can also chat with us or schedule a one-on-one consultation with a librarian. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your project.